Hello students, welcome you all. In this class, we are going to discuss about the aquatic ecosystem. Before going to this, in the last class, we have discussed about the ecosystem, structure of ecosystem and different kinds of animals, scavengers, herbivores, carnivorous, these all the things. With that, we have discussed about the plants, photosynthesis process, that all the things we have discussed in the first class. Now we will come to the second class. In this video we are going to discuss about the aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem and their types. These things we will discuss in this class. Dear students, those who understand the first video, then you see the second. Means the first lecture, those who understand the first lecture, we can easily understand the second one. So first, those who have not seen the first video, first you see that one, next you come to the second video. Now we will start about the aquatic ecosystem. Here aquatic ecosystem, this related to the water body, means in the water we can see the animals, plants, some other organisms. See, these all the things will interact with each other, and also this will interact with the water body, means interact with the water body and even with the water environment. This kind of ecosystem will call the aquatic ecosystem. Ecologists, they divided the aquatic ecosystem and some different kinds. We can say lotic ecosystem and lentic ecosystem, and some freshwater ecosystem are there. Here we are discussing only to lotic ecosystem and lentic ecosystem. First I will show you one image. What are the meaning of lotic and lentic ecosystem? Here in the image you can see, in the left side of the image we can see lotic ecosystem. In the right side of the image we can see lentic ecosystem. Here what can you see here in the left side of the image? Here we can see running water, means lotic ecosystem means that is water in a running state. Lentic ecosystem means water in a standing water. Water is a standing water. Now come to the lotic and lentic ecosystem. What is the meaning of lotic ecosystem? Here lotic ecosystem has a flowing water, means running water. Examples for lotic ecosystem includes rivers and canals. This you remember easily. This you can remember easily. Rivers and canals. There, if you see the water will be in a running state. With that, some other examples: creeks, streams, and runs, brooks. These all are example for lotic ecosystem. Now second one, lentic ecosystem. Here what is the meaning of lentic ecosystem? It has a still water, means standing water. Example for this lentic ecosystem, here we can see ponds, basin, marshes, ditches, reservoirs, seeps and lakes. These all are example for lentic ecosystem. Only the main difference is in the lotic ecosystem, water is a running water, flowing water you can see. In the lentic ecosystem we can see the standing water. In both also some different animals will be. In running water also some kind of animals will be, and in the flowing water also some kind of animals will be. In standing water also some kind of animals will be. Next one, this you are seeing lentic and lotic ecosystems. Next one, terrestrial ecosystem. See, terrestrial ecosystem means this related to the land based ecosystem. See, if we go to the different countries, there we will see the different kind of people and different kind of animals, different kind of plants. Based on that, we have classified the terrestrial ecosystem as forest ecosystems, grassland ecosystems, tundra ecosystems and desert ecosystems. Here terrestrial ecosystems are the exclusively plant based ecosystem, there are different types of terrestrial ecosystems in the world distributed around various geological zones. Here we'll discuss one by one. First one, forest ecosystems. See, in the forest we can see them some kind of animals, microorganisms and plants. Here these animals they interact with each other and also they interact with the abiotic components also, and they will adjust with the forest environment, that we call the forest ecosystems. This forest ecosystem which helps to maintaining the temperature of the earth. Even if you grow them, if you plant more trees, if we are having the good forest, then means those places we can see the places where we can which the place where we can see them more number of plants are good forest, there will get them good rain. Next one, grassland ecosystem. Here grassland, example for grassland, you know about this grasslands. Here savanna grassland and temperate grasslands will be, these are example for grassland. Here the vegetation is dominated by grasses and herbs. Just remember this. Example for grassland ecosystem are savanna grasslands and temperate grasslands. Next one, tundra ecosystem. This tundra ecosystem that will see in the Himalayan ranges. Tundra ecosystems are divided of trees and are found in cold climates or where rainfall is scarce. Means there you can see the less percentage of them, less percent of rain. These are covered with the snow. In the tundra ecosystem or in the in the tundra ecosystem we can see the plants covered with the snow, plants covered with the snow for most of the year. The ecosystem in the Arctic or mountain tops is tundra type. Here example for tundra ecosystem are Arctic or mountain tops. These are example for tundra ecosystem. Next one, desert ecosystem. See, I will give some examples. Gobi desert ecosystem. Gobi, not eating gobi. This is the name of the desert place. Gobi Marubhumi. Next one is Thar desert place. See, in the desert area also we can see the different kind of animals. In the desert area we can see the camels. Okay, in the desert places we can see the camels will be, and some other plants will be. Example in Kannada ಕಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಪಸ್ ಕಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂಟೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯ ಹಡಗು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ camel and that kali, that will be the animal and plants that related to the desert ecosystem, and that will interact with that environment. These animals and plants that interact with themselves, and also they interact with the desert ecosystem, desert area. Dear students, you see the video one or two times, understand the things. With this in the WhatsApp group we will send the notes also. Some of you notes in that second video. In the first I sent that introduction that you have seen, but second video some students, only less number of students have seen. So you see the first video, then you see this second also. In the next class we will come with some different topics. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.